To create a segment on Strava, start by locating the Obsor and opening it. In the bottom row, you'll find sections such as today's games, apps, arcade, and a search button. Click on the search button. This will take you to a search bar where you need to type in Strava. The first option should be Strava, run, bike and hike, which you should select. Next, exit the Obsor and find the Strava app. Then open it. To proceed, log in with your email and password, and navigate to your activities, which can be found in the bottom right corner. Note that segments cannot be created on the Strava mobile app, but you can use the website for a wider range of options. To create a segment, select an activity, such as a run, and click on it. Then choose the Analysis option. From the resulting menu, select Create Segment from the available options, which include Edit Map, Visibility, Crops, Split, Create Route, and Correct Distance. After creating the segment, it won't appear in the mobile app, but it will be visible on the website.